What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to prepare a Christmas ham, the best way. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. This holiday season, go ham with the only recipe you'll ever need. Learn how to select a Christmas ham, how long to bake it for, and how to carve it for stunning results. Plus, choose from 4 incredible glazes. 1. Choose your ham. How much do you require? Allow about 1/2 pound of bone-in ham per person. Going with the boneless option. Purchase 1/3 pound of ham for each person. So, for a 12-person party, you'd need a 6-pound bone-in ham or 4 pounds of boneless ham. What should the price be? Many stores sell Christmas ham as a low-cost item, so you'll be able to find one that fits your budget. My parents splurged on a magnificent spiral sliced bone-in ham from USX one year, which was a joy to carve and an absolute delight for the entire family to eat. During the holiday season, you can find very good hams for 1/8 of this price, as well as everything in between. Is it better to get boneless or bone-in? The ham bone adds moisture and flavor to the meat as it bakes, but it makes the ham difficult to carve. I'll explain how to master this technique later, so stay tuned. What are the various cuts? The largest hams are bone-in full hams, which include the butt, upper portion, and shank, leg, halves. Shank half hams are smaller than butt half hams and provide a meaty, flavorful bone that is ideal for making bean soup. Butt half hams are heavier and yield larger slices because they come from a larger cut. The butt half is used to make center-cut ham steaks and packaged ham slices sold in stores. The different cuts taste similar, so choose based on your preferred size and brand. 2. Begin by preparing the ham. In a baking pan, place the ham on a roasting rack. Using a sharp knife, score the surface of the ham in a diamond pattern with 1/4 inch deep cuts. This allows the delicious glaze to soak into and flavor the ham. 3. Clove it, or leave it alone. Cloves are optional, but they add a lovely aroma and an old-fashioned appearance to the ham as it bakes. Insert a whole clove into each diamond point of the ham if you like the idea. If you're looking for a retro holiday ham recipe, the cloves also serve as handy hooks for adorning the meat with pineapple rings and maraschino cherries. 4. Bake away. Cover with foil and bake at 325 degrees until a thermometer reads 140 degrees for fully cooked ham. Whole bone-in fully cooked hams require approximately 15 to 18 minutes per pound. Bake boneless, fully cooked chicken for 18 to 20 minutes per pound. Partially cooked and uncooked hams, which are less common, should be baked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, so allow a little more time for these. A 7 to 9 pound bone-in half ham will take approximately 2-1/4 to 2 to 3/4 of an hour to reach 140 degrees. 5. Select your ham glaze. This gleaming beauty has a citrus molasses glaze. To make it, heat the following ingredients in a saucepan until they are reduced by half. 1/2 cup grapefruit juice. 1/2 cup orange juice. Then add these ingredients and bring it back to a boil. 1/4 cup of molasses. 3 tablespoons honey. 1 tablespoon brown sugar packed. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 3 teaspoons coarsely ground black pepper. For a simple sugar glaze, combine in a bowl. 1 cup packed brown sugar. 2 teaspoons prepared mustard. 1 to 2 tablespoons cider vinegar. For bourbon glaze, combine in a bowl. 2/3 cup bourbon. 2 cups packed brown sugar. 1 tablespoon ground mustard. 1 tablespoon orange marmalade. 1/8 teaspoon ground coriander. Bring the following ingredients to a simmer for the cranberry glaze. 1 can whole berry cranberry sauce, 14 ounces. 1/2 cup maple syrup. 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoons ground mustard. 6. After 45 minutes, check the ham. When the ham reaches a temperature of around 130 degrees, it is almost done. And the good times are about to begin. 7. Get your glazing on. Remove the ham from the oven with care and brush it with the glaze. Bake the ham for another 30 to 45 minutes, basting and brushing it with the glaze every now and then. 8. Carve up that juicy perfection. Thank you for watching the entire video, good luck and stay tuned.